Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special haul for you. I got personal wide rings from Pelle Studio. Oh my gosh, when I saw that it got delivered, I came straight home from school right after anatomy and found this beauty on my porch, which I'm really excited about. So it came in this pink box. Let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we got. Okay, so first up, we have a business card from Pelle Studio and then a thank you card from them as well, from Cindy and Tim. So I'm very excited to use this planner, so thank you, Cindy and Tim. It came with these two strings, one in white, one in pink, in case I want to switch the strings out from the planner. All right, so let's take this baby out. Okay, so it did come wrapped in this bubble wrap, this really cute heart-shaped bubble wrap. And let me take this out. And the planner itself comes in a dust bag, which is great. Okay, so let's take this out. Oh gosh, it feels amazing in this dust bag. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Okay. So what I got is in, this is in white goat leather with, I think it's called peach pink glitter spine. Look how stunning that is. So this white is a bit of an off-white. It's not this like bright white color. It's an off-white, so I feel like it can handle a bit of dirt, just like regular wear and tear. Stitching wise, the stitches is also in white, and the elastic is in pink, which, you know, I'll be able to switch out if I really wanted to in white or pink. Let's see. So this is the back side. Okay, if I open her up, it's upside down. If I open her up, so here we go. Oh my goodness. All right. So we got two pockets right here and then another pocket right here. These rings are, I think it's like 30 something millimeter rings. Whereas like Foxy Fix Personal was, I think, 25, so it's slightly bigger. And inside here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's in rose gold. Stunning. I mean, absolutely stunning. The leather is high quality. Like, you can tell that it can definitely handle all the stuff in that I'm going to do. All right, let me pull this elastic out all the way. There you go. Let's see. It doesn't wiggle. The rings don't wiggle as much, which is good. All right, and then thickness wise, here you go. If you can see, it's pretty thick. It's definitely thicker than, I would say, Foxy Fix Sugar Mochi, which is another planner that I have. So yeah, this is what I got. And glitter is, it doesn't look like it's going to come off. Like, I'm rubbing it, and then I have like this, which was from the dust bag actually. Like, it's not from me scratching this. So as long as you don't, you know, you're not aggressive with the glitter spine, I think it'll be fine. And especially if you put it in the dust bag, I think it'll be fine. So yeah, this is again from Pelle Studio in personal wide rings. In the next video that I'm going to post, I'm going to do a comparison video, comparing this planner and Foxy Fix Scarlet and Foxy Fix Boss Babe Leather in Scarlet. And I'll compare also with Sugar Mochi as well. But thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you have any questions about any of the planners that I have, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. But I'm really, really excited to use this. I will say the price point is a bit higher than Foxy Fix. So I know it's definitely an investment. And I ordered this on December 7th and I got it today. So January, 15th. So it took about 5 weeks for me from the time that I placed the order and got this in my hands. So not too bad of a wait at all. So I would definitely check them out if you're interested. If you want this gorgeous planner, I strongly recommend that you check them out. Okay, well, that's everything that I have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.